Friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. Dosto, I am going to give you lot of detail today about Pro Talent's test series. Dosto, Pro Talent test series is very much well known by large number of students. I'm sure when you are watching this video, you must have joined this test series. Okay, so there are some specific important information for you with respect to the test series, and for the students who wish to join this test series afresh, there's a specific information available for them. So first and foremost important part is, why do you need a test series? Number one, you need test series to develop your stamina. Okay, can you sit for 2 hours at a stretch and try to get maximum score out of it or not? That's number one. Number two, can you can say check your preparation level? Yes, test series will help you to check your preparation level. Okay, at the same time, you can say, can you can say try and you can say expose yourself to you can say high level questions, tough questions, giving you intellectual you can say pressure to apply all your knowledge in a right framework? Yes, the test series will ensure that. Okay, what about current affairs, sir? Okay, do I get a lot of benefit of learning current affair by doing this you can say test series? Yes. So what happens, you can say many times we do a lot of current affair by going through newspapers, you can say going through compendium and everything, but the test series questions are giving us a lot of you can say pressure to think in a particular way. Okay, so we are making sure that we give you a lot of guidance okay, about what to prepare in the current affair by giving you questions in the mock test. Okay, so that is one of the very important part. Okay, okay. At the same time, one very important front is, how do you review and analyze current affair? That's a very big issue. So we give a lot of support for the test series module as well. Okay, so here I'm bringing one of the very important announcement, this that is called ProClat 360 test series. Now what is there and what is new in it? As I mentioned earlier also, that we are going to give you weekly challenge. You are going to get you can say good quality tough level questions on a weekly basis. Okay, that is how you are going to get a lot of tests are available. So there are two kind of test series. One test series has a 60 you can say mock clat, and this is a new test series which has a 30 mocks available. Okay, okay. So that's how the idea is. You get very interesting you can say score calculation out of it. That's a wonderful method available. You get detailed analysis, new pattern based monthly current affair, and all this content is prepared by top NLU graduates from you can say top colleges. That's how the you can say the entire stuff is. So what you get is 30 mocks. Okay, now this is you can say ProClat 360 available at a very reasonable price. Okay, at what price it is available? It is available at you can say 1129 rupees. You heard it right. Yes, it is at a less price at 1129. Now this is available you can say at this low price for the next few days only. How many days it is available? Today it is 29th of January and this is available till 5th of February. Okay, okay. Now what are the content you are going to get? You can say all this 30 mock tests will be available in a PDF format. Now this is very unique. Okay, now why it is available in a PDF format? You get the PDF, okay, you print it, okay, and you can say solve it. Okay, that's basically the idea. Okay, okay. Apart from that, you can say what are the important part? Okay, we have developed this test series in a stage-wise manner. You get test in a stage-wise manner. Initially basic, then the moderate level, then the tough level. Okay, you get quality questions. Okay, exhaustive coverage of all areas, whether it is legal or logic or quant or your let's say verbal RC, everything is covered in a great way. In fact, we are not only you can say giving you questions in a very monotonous manner, we try to give you challenges in between by changing the style of questions as well. So that's very important. Certain unforeseen circumstances may be thrown to you so that your brain is ready to respond to newer challenges when you get in the examination. You get detailed explanation so that whenever a question is there in front of you, you are not able to solve it, you get detailed explanation for your, you can say, comfort area. You get current affair, very important part. We give you current affair on a monthly basis. We give you current affair on a weekly basis. Now that's an MCQ format. Weekly basis is on MCQ format. Okay, that's very important. Okay, apart from it, you get, you can say, some around 48, you can say, institute specific tests, not just 45, 48. ALAT 15. That's a new pattern. I'm going to, you can say, make a special videos for this new pattern. कैसे करना है, किस तरीके से आप उसको तैयारी करोगे, ये सब मैं आपको बताऊंगा. ठीक है, there's a specific video which is going to come up, which will be a live module, but this is what you are going to work on. Okay, then there are 15 offline tests available for Symbiosis, and MHCT 18 tests are available. Okay, this is what you are going to get. With this, you are going to get a lot of support with respect to vocab. You are going to get support with respect to fundamentals of formula for math. You are going to get fundamentals, you can say, of logic. Okay, you are going to get support of current affair. That's a very unique front. We develop a lot of video lectures, okay, on current affair every month. Okay, and in this particular part, you are going to get that complete current affair module available to you, okay, which is generally, you can say, charged at a very high price. Okay, and you are going to get this current affair here. Okay, is this comfortable for you? It is going to be one of the wonderful module available at this price, so don't miss out on it. Okay, I'm putting a direct link, okay, to purchase this. Okay, so that's a very easy way. You can say, come and purchase this module. It is going to be wonderful preparation part for you. Okay, don't miss out to purchase this test series. Okay, thank you very much for coming here and watching this. All the best for your preparation.